Okay, now part two of communication networks. The World Wide Web. The World Wide Web is just one of many services available on the internet. The web consists of worldwide collection of electronic documents that have built-in hyperlinks in other related documents. Hyperlinks allow users to navigate quickly from one web page to another. A web page, an electronic document viewed on the web. It contains text, graphics, sound, and video, as well as hyperlinks. A website, it's a collection of related websites. Most web pages have a starting point called the home page, which provides information about the site's purpose and content. Each web page on the website has a unique URL, which consists of a protocol, domain name, and sometimes a path to a specific web page. Most web pages URLs begin with HTTP, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol, the communication protocol used to transfer pages on the web. The access and view of web pages are done using a software program called a web browser or a browser. Static web page, fixed, dynamic web page, changing. The World Wide Web. The terms Web 2.0 and participatory web are used to refer to websites that allow users to modify websites' contents, provide a means for users to share personal information, social networking, and have application software built in the site to use. I think this was on the quiz. Web 3.0 semantic web is when the semantics of information and services on the web is defined, thus allowing the web to understand and satisfy the requests of people to use the web contents instantly. The web pages that constitute a website are stored on a server called a web server. A web server is a computer that delivers serves requested web pages. Web servers can store multiple websites. How web pages work. A web page is a hypertext hypermedia document residing on the internet computer. A hypertext document contains text, hyperlinks, or other documents. A hypermedia document contains text, graphics, video, or sounds, hyperlinks that connect to other documents. So 3 types of hyperlinks. This came up on the pop quiz and I think I got it wrong. So it might come up again in the exam. Target hyperlinks, link to another location in the same document. Relative hyperlinks, link to another document on the same internet server. Absolute hyperlinks, link another document on a different internet server, could be across a country, across the world. How a web page works. Hypertext and hypermedia allow students to learn in a non-linear way. Discovery learning, branching, or non-linear. Web surfing, displaying pages on the website after another. Webmaster, the person responsible for developing web pages and maintain websites. Hypertext markup, HTML, which is a set of special codes called tags and define the placement and format of text, graphics, video, and sound on a web page. Because HTML can be difficult, other user-friendly tools exist for web publishing, which is the development and maintenance of web pages. Web browser software. I'm not going to read all this, but just to keep it short and sweet, a web browser is a program that interprets HTML and displays web pages, enables you to link the web pages and websites. I think this came up in the quiz. Cascading style sheet. CSS is a simple mechanism for adding styles, font color, spacing to web documents and defines style formatting properties that are applied to HTML or XML based pages. Okay, I think I'm going to read this because this might come up on the exam. Besides HTML, current web development utilizes newer languages like extensible markup language and extensible HTML, XHTML. XML is a format increasing popularity that allows web page authors to create customized tags known as schema. The tags are stored in libraries and can also be used in cascading style sheets. CSS. So XML, XHTML. Okay. Two ways to keep track of web pages you have viewed are history list or favorite bookmark list. I think you guys should know, I should know what a history and bookmark list is. Website categories. Searching for information on the web. Search tools enables users to locate information found at websites all over the world. Two basic types of search tools are: a search engine is a type of search tool that finds web pages, websites, and internet files that match or one keywords that you enter. A subject directory is a type of search tool that allows users to navigate the areas of interest without having to enter keywords. Subject directories are usually organized in categories such as education, sports, entertainment, or business. Searching for information on the web. Examples of search engines. Example of specialized search engines. Meta search engine, a search engine that queries other search engines and then combines the results that are received from all. In effect, the user is not just using one search engine, but a combination of many search engines used to optimize web searching. So, multimedia on the web. Web developments involve multimedia. Is a combination of graphics, animation, audio, video, and virtual reality (VR). A web page that incorporates sound, motion, and pictures with text much more appeal than one with text on a plain background. Most browsers have capabilities to display multimedia elements on a web page. Sometimes, however, the browser needs additional information program called the plugin. I think that was on the quiz. A plugin is a program that extends the capability of the browser. Plugins can be downloaded or copied for free from many websites. Multimedia on the web. Graphics. A graphical image is a digital representation of non-text information such as a drawing, chart, or photograph. Graphics are the first medium to enhance the text based on the internet. Two common file formats of graphical images found on the web are JPEG and GIF. A thumbnail is a small version of a larger geographical image that usually can be clicked to display the full size. I think that was in the quiz as well. Animation is the appearance of motion created by displaying series of still images in rapid sequence. Text that is animated across the screen called a marquee can serve as a ticker to display stock updates, news, schools, sports scores, and events. The type of animation called the animated GIF. It's called is a group of several images combined into a single GIF. Abundance of education-related animations are available on the web. Audio. I'm not going to bother reading all this. I think I know what an audio file is. Audio is the music, speech, or any other sound. Includes MP3s. Can be compressed. Can be heard through players. Multimedia on the web are web audio, streaming audio, podcasts, RSS. Users subscribe to a feed receive new audio files automatically by using really simple syndication RSS, which is a protocol that allows users to receive the feeds automatically. Okay, now video. Video consists of full motion images. Let's try to finish these slides in the next 15 minutes, 10 minutes, I've got 5 minutes. Okay, video consists of full motion images that are played back at various speed. Many websites use real-time video to enhance visitors' understanding of information for entertainment. Like audio, web video application consists of individual video files. Streaming video allows you to view longer or live video images as video files downloaded on your computer. Virtual reality is simulation of a real world or imagined environment that appears as three-dimensional 3D space on the web. VR involves the display of 3D images that you can explore and manipulate their interactivity. Other internet services. Okay, other services are email, FTP, newsgroup, message boards, mailing lists, messaging, chat rooms, voice over IP, also known as internet telephony. Email. I think I know what email is, but just to recap, email is a transmission of messages and files via computer network. FTP. FTP is an internet standard that allows you to exchange files and other computers on the internet. So transferring files is FTP, file transfer protocol. Newsgroups and message boards. A newsgroup is an online area in which users conduct written discussions about a particular subject. I think this was on the quiz as well, so you can briefly read through all that. Mailing list. A mailing list is a group of email names and addresses given a single name. So mailing list is a group of email names and just given a single name. So if you want to email multiple people at once, I guess. Okay, instant messaging is a real-time internet communication service that notifies you when one or more people are online. So you could say in a way WhatsApp is the instant messaging type program. Chat rooms, a real-time typed conversation that takes place on the computer. A chat room refers to communication channel or medium that permits users to chat to each other. Voice over IP, VoIP. Voice over IP Internet Protocol is also called Internet Telephony. Enables users to speak to other users over the internet using their desktop computer, mobile computer, or mobile device. Voice over IP uses internet instead of traditional telephone networks to connect calling a party to one or more local or long distance parties. Magic Jack is a USB device that contains both software and electronics necessary. And that's about it.